So, you want to document the...
Yeah, we just had a tornado set down about half a mile away. Yeah, you can see there's the rest of the building.
Stopped at the convenience store to put gas in.
I can't zoom in with my gloves on, but a little bit of tree damage. But we're gonna leave before it gets worse.
Yep. Picking up the new Indian. Oh, I'm just talking. Yeah, we just went down to the convenience store and we saw these ladies talking, and I look over and there's a tornado. And we watched it form, but then we went into the cooler and looked, we could peek out through the window, but it was gone by then. But some other people stayed out in the store, but that's just too close. I mean, that building is, I don't know, a quarter of a mile, not even. 300 yards, 200, 300 yards, 200 yards. Formed right over there, and then picked up speed, and all them trees up on that ridge were sucked into it, and it went that way. So the little tail that was forward, it came in behind it, is what I would say, remembering it, looking at this. Take that, can you take that sticker off there, or is it